Self-awareness is often described as the cornerstone of personal development. It is the conscious knowledge of one's own character, feelings, motives, and desires. In a world that constantly demands our attention, developing self-awareness allows us to pause, reflect, and truly understand who we are. By doing so, we gain clarity in our actions, choices, and relationships, ultimately paving the way for long-term personal growth. At its core, self-awareness means being able to recognize not only our strengths, but also our weaknesses. It involves acknowledging our emotional triggers, our values, and the impact of our behavior on others. For example, someone who is aware of their tendency to react impulsively under stress can consciously work on practicing patience and calmness. Without this recognition, negative patterns can easily repeat themselves, limiting progress. One of the most important benefits of self-awareness is improved decision-making. When individuals understand their values and motivations, they are better equipped to make choices that align with their true selves rather than decisions influenced by external pressure. This alignment not only reduces regret, but also builds confidence and inner peace. A person who knows they value creativity over routine, for instance, will be more fulfilled pursuing a career in the arts rather than forcing themselves into a path that does not resonate. Self-awareness also strengthens emotional intelligence. By being in tune with our own emotions, we are better able to empathize with others and manage relationships more effectively. Emotional awareness helps us pause before reacting, enabling healthier communication and reducing conflict. In professional settings, leaders who cultivate self-awareness often inspire greater trust and respect because they understand their impact on others and lead with authenticity. Developing self-awareness is not an overnight task. It requires consistent effort and reflection. Practical steps include keeping a journal, where one records thoughts and emotions to identify patterns over time. Mindfulness practices, such as meditation, also encourage deeper self-reflection by focusing attention on the present moment. Seeking feedback from trusted friends or mentors provides another valuable perspective, revealing blind spots that may otherwise go unnoticed. Another key aspect of self-awareness is accepting imperfections. Growth does not mean eliminating flaws entirely, but rather understanding and managing them. When individuals embrace their vulnerabilities, they begin to cultivate resilience and authenticity. This acceptance fosters confidence, allowing people to pursue their goals without being held back by fear of failure or judgment. In the journey of life, self-awareness acts as the compass that guides us through challenges, opportunities, and transformations. It helps us identify where we are, where we want to go, and how to get there. Without it, personal growth becomes aimless, like sailing without direction. With it, we gain the ability to consciously shape our lives, nurture meaningful relationships, and unlock our true potential. To conclude, self-awareness is more than just an introspective exercise. It is the foundation of all growth. By looking inward with honesty and compassion, we take the first step toward creating the best version of ourselves. Thank you for your patience hearing.